Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT in VS Code. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the first thing what we need to do is open up VS Code, and on the left hand side we've got these different options. We want to click onto the one that says extensions, then do a search for ChatGPT, and now we want to go ahead and install the one that says ChatGPT Easy Code. So this is ChatGPT with code-based understanding, web browsing and GPT-4, no account or API key required. So that's the one we want to go ahead and install. So go ahead and click on the install button. Then it will say, do you trust Publisher Easy Code AI? Say trust Publisher and install. Now this is going to go ahead and install it onto VS Code. Then you might get a pop-up saying, do you want to allow public and private networks access to this app? I'm going to click allow. Then after you've done that, you can go ahead and chat in the sidebar. You can highlight code, right click and ask ChatGPT. You can generate, debug or explain code directly in VS Code.